students, I am glad to see you all hale and hearty. Students, due to this pandemic situation, we have understood the meaning of one word to its core, that is change. Haven't we? Yes. We all went through a lot of emotional upheavals and sometimes we became disheartened due to this lockdown. But I am proud of you students that you all have adapted this change and even tried hard to overcome this situation and became successful in doing so. As rightly quoted by someone, success comes to those who have the mindset to embrace the change and work hard to achieve their goals. You must be wondering why teacher is talking about success, goals, determination, okay? So, let me draw your attention towards a stress buster poem that is Don't Give Up by Phoebe K.
So children, let us see what are our today's objectives for this session. Students, you will see certain images and based on that you have to make inferences. It means you need to make conclusions based on that. Students will make connections between the images and the poem title. How these images and poem title are connected with each other. Now children, on your left hand side you can see certain pictures or images. You need to observe these images carefully and you have to note down the answers to the question which are given on your right hand side. So just answer those questions in your notebook. What is happening in the pictures? What have you learned from these images? I'll give you few seconds time to write the answers in your notebook. One by one you can see the pictures and you can make connections in those pictures and how it is related to your poem. I hope you all must have finished writing your answers. Let's move ahead. Now let us learn few things about the poetess Phoebe Cary. Phoebe Cary was an American poetess and the younger sister of poetess Alice Cary. The sisters co-published poems in 1849 and even they went on to publish volumes of their own, and their joint works are Poems and Parodies in the year 1854, Poems of Faith, Hope and Love in the year 1867, etc. Now, the poetess' famous quote is, "And though hard be the task, keep a stiff upper lip." However, how much hard your life is due to the problems, you need to fight with that courageously or bravely. Now, let us see the poem. The name of the poem is Don't Give Up. I will read a poem for you. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that is great and good is done just by patient trying. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. Written by Phoebe Cary. Now children, I just want to draw your attention to the images given in this poem. I have just cropped up all the images in one slide. You can see few children doing some or the other activities. A boy is playing a chess, a girl is dancing, a boy is doing a malakham, a girl is riding on bicycle, and a boy is doing a long jump. So food for your thought is, I have given certain questions which you need to write it down in your notebook. The question goes like this: is it easy or tough to learn all the given tasks in this picture? How much time does it consume to learn those activities? Would you like to master those activities? What are the qualities you need to inculcate in your behavior to master these games or tasks? Now, children, you need to answer all these questions in your notebook, and thank you for giving a patient ear to this video session and listening all the explanation whatever I have given it to you. Now, children, very important thing, you need to stay tuned for our next video, because in that video session or video recording, I am going to give you or explain you the poem with altogether new strategy. Okay, so till that time, please note down all the answers in your notebook.